Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 support and search for that. Best result should come back with an HP support page. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9010 all-in-one printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now underneath the support category that says software and drivers, go ahead and select that. And then scrolling down underneath the software section, select the Easy Start Printer Setup Software item and download it. And once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to extract it and just give it a moment here. Should be a verified signed publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the on-screen wizard of getting your device configured properly with your printer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.